Our tasty week-long tour of Washington, D.C. continues, and we haven't stopped for a minute. This morning, we took a brisk walk on the National Mall, which is often referred to as America's front yard. The mall is a park that connects the Capitol to the Lincoln Memorial. And as you would imagine, after all that sightseeing, we really worked up quite an appetite. So we headed over to Ben's Chili Bowl, which has been a landmark since 1958. Here we can find locals as well as politicians and celebrities rolling up their sleeves as they dig into the dish that has made Ben's famous. It starts off with a 1/4 pound of smoked sausage that's half pork, half beef, that's cooked to perfection on a griddle. From there, it goes into a steamed bun before getting topped with yellow mustard, lots of chopped onions, and smothered with Ben's signature chili sauce. And as we've seen over the years, lots of things have changed here in Washington. But thankfully, Ben's recipe for chili has remained the same since the day they opened. So when you visit DC, make sure you stop by Ben's. But until then, we've created a recipe for what we call Ben's Chili Dog, which we think is the next best thing to being here, and you can find it online. Now I'm off to explore more food finds. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a smoking good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.